So distance formula, this is coordinate axis. These are coordinate axis. This is say y axis, right? Positive. This is x axis positive, and origin O. Its coordinate is 0, 0, right? There is a point P. There is a point P with coordinate x1, y1, right? And there is another coordinate Q with sorry, there is another point P with coordinate x2, y2, right? अब हमने क्या किया कि यहाँ से एक ये लाइन ड्रॉ किया, तो ये किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है? y2 को, ठीक है? ये y2 को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है, और ये जो फॉल होती है ये यहाँ पे फॉल कर रही है, तो ये हो गया x2, right? This is x2 and this is x1, or this is this is y1, sorry, this is y axis, so this is y1, this is y1, this is x1, right? If we join this like this, so this is making an angle of 90 degree, right? So this distance is how much? This distance is x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, right? When this is x2 minus x1, then this will also be x2. This is a rectangle. When this angle is of 90 degree, this will be of 90 degree, this will be of 90 degree. So these all are, this is rectangle is formed, and when rectangle in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So this is x2 minus x1, so this will also be x2 minus x1, and this is y2, this is y1. So difference between these two is y2 minus y1, right? So this is P, this is Q, say this is R, right? So this is of 90 degree, this is angle theta, this is slope, right? This is slope, theta angle. So if we say, so now this triangle PQR, will be right angled triangle, right angled triangle, ठीक है? This angle is right angled triangle with perpendicular is equal to QR, or base is PR, right? This is PR. So hypotenuse that is distance between 2 points, distance between 2 points is equal to at this is, sorry, PQ. right? So by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse का square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, right? Hypotenuse is PQ. So PQ square is equal to perpendicular, that is QR, and that's value we know y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1, so it will be y2 minus y1 whole square plus B base is PR, its value is x2 minus x1. So that's why x2 minus x1 whole square, right? So when we take square root both side, when we take sorry, ठीक है, when we take square root both side, right? So this PQ is gone, so we get PQ is equal to square root y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square, right? Whole square. So this is we have distance formula is equal to PQ is equal to square root y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. Getting? This is we have distance formula. We can write PQ is equal to square root y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square, or you can write it like this also, that y1 minus y2 whole square plus x1 minus x2 whole square, right? But take in consideration, always keep in mind that if you are taking here y2 minus y1, then there will be x2 minus x1. If you are taking y1 minus y2, then you will take x1 minus x2. Or x2 minus x1, you have to take y2 minus y1. And if you are taking x1 minus x2, then you will take y1 minus y2. Right? Position can be interchanged, but of both. Right? Not only one. So this is we have distance formula. Did you note it down? Oh, very nice. So we have last question. Right? What is that? Hmm? Hmm? जो ये कटे हैं, मतलब दे आर नॉट इन योर सिलेबस. चलो बस छोड़ देते हैं, क्या बता. चलो कौन सा है तुम्हारे, यू टेल मी द नंबर. 11. Okay. Okay. So there is question number 11 you have, right, which is saying that a point P lies on the x-axis and another point Q lies on the y-axis. So again, we have coordinate axes. Say this is y and this is x, right? And it is saying that P lies on x-axis. So P is here, P is here, right? So its coordinate will be x comma 0, and Q lies on y-axis. So Q is here. So its point is 0 comma y, right? And so okay, so this is x-axis is known as abscissa, and y-axis is known as ordinate, right? So for this is abscissa, for P this is abscissa, and this is ordinate, right? So it is asking write ordinate of P. So ordinate of P is is 0, right? This is 0, x comma 0, right? And then you have to write ordinate of, you have to write abscissa of Q. You have to write abscissa of Q. So abscissa abscissa of Q is 0. Abscissa of Q is 0, right? So abscissa of Q is 0 and ordinate of P is 0. Getting? Now, if the abscissa P is minus 12 and ordinate is minus 16, मतलब x is minus 12, this is minus 12, or we can write this coordinate of this point is 12 comma 0, and its coordinate is 0 comma minus 16, right? Minus 16. Then you have to find the length, calculate the length of line segment, right? Your line segment is like this. This is the line segment we have, PQ. So we have to find the value of PQ, right? And as you know, PQ is equal to square root of YQ minus YP whole square plus XQ minus xp whole square, right? So pq is equal to yq is equal to minus 16 and yp is equal to 0. So there will be minus 16 minus 0 whole square plus my xq is 0 and this is minus 12 xp is minus 12 whole square is equal to 0. So we take the square root of this and it becomes minus 16 whole square plus 12 whole square, right? So square root is 16 square is 256 plus 12 square 44 square root, so it becomes 256 plus 144 is equal to 400, right? So its square root of 400 is 20. So distance of distance between points P and Q are is 20 units. Done this you have done. Very nice. So what next question is? Question number 5. Okay. 6. Okay. Should I rub this? Should I rub now? Okay. Now we have question number 6. Question number 6. It is saying that the coordinates of point on the y-axis which are at a distance of 10 unit from point minus 8 comma 4, right? Find the coordinates of point on the y-axis which are at a distance of 10 units from the point minus 8 comma 4. My god. So this is the coordinate, this is the Cartesian plane. Oh my god, that is minus 8 comma 4. So if I take it like this is y-axis, this is ordinate, right? And there is a point, this is, we say, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, right? And and we have minus 8 comma 4. So this is say 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So point is here -8 comma 4. So this will be here lump sum, right? Here it is, right? So this is here, it is -8 comma 4, right? And it is intersecting, oh yeah, find the coordinates of the on the y-axis, which are at a distance of 10 units. Suppose it is intersecting the y-axis, which is at a distance of 10 centimeter, right? 10 centimeter. Say like this, right? So this is the point of intersection, that is 0 comma y, right? And the distance is 10 units. Distance is 10 units. So we have to find the y. So if we use distance formula, so we write d square is equal to, if we gave this point A and this point B, right? So I will write d square is equal to ya minus yb whole square plus xa minus xb whole square, right? So d is 10 unit, so we have taken 10 square is equal to ya is 4, is 4 minus yb is y, so minus 4 minus y whole square plus xa is -8, so that is -8 and this is 0, right? Minus xb is 0, so 0 whole square, so this is 100 is equal to y 4 minus y whole square plus -8 whole square is 64. This 64 comes on the other side, it becomes 100 minus 64 to be expanded by formula a minus b whole square, so 4 whole square plus y square minus 2 into 4 into y, right? So that is 36 is equal to 16 plus y square minus 8y, right? So now when this 36 comes to this side, so 0 is equal to 16 minus 16 minus 36 plus y square minus 8y. So now we interchange the positions. So this is y square minus 8y minus 20 is equal to 0, right? So this is, if we take y is equal to y square minus 10 minus 2. 10 into 2 becomes 20 and 10 minus 2 becomes 8. So 10 minus 2y minus 20 is equal to 0. So we get y squared minus 10y plus 2y minus 20 is equal to 0. So y we take as a common. So that is y minus 10 plus 2 we take as a common. It becomes y minus 10 is equal to 0. So y minus 10 bracket y plus 2 is equal to 0. So now we have y minus 10 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 10. And if y plus 2 is equal to 0, so y is equal to minus 2. Right? So coordinates of point B, coordinates of point B can be 0 comma 10, can be 0 comma 10 or 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. Getting? Hello? Is this correct? Is this correct? Let's see, start trying. Huh? Is it correct? Hmm. क्या कह रही हो तुम? एक्चुअली कोऑर्डिनेट जो है वो एक्स एक्सिस पे मतलब वाई एक्सिस पे बोला जा रहा है. जब वाई एक्सिस पे होगा तो एक्स विल बी जीरो नो डाउटली. Only y will have value. So that's why it is. But it can have two values. It can have minus 10 comma 0 or it can have, sorry, y can be 0. So matlab it can be 0 comma 10 or it can be 0 comma minus 2. In both cases, the distance remains 10 units, right? Should I rub this? Doing? Mhm. Done? So fifth you will do in homework. I'll come to fourth, right? Achha, you are still doing, so do it. No problem at all. I can wait. Achha. So fifth you will do in homework, okay? So we'll do the question number fourth now, right? Wait for a while. So what is question number four? The distance between the points 3, 1, 3, 1 and 0x is 5. Find the value of x. Very nice. Alright. So just wait. You are doing it. So question number 4 is like this. Question number 4 is like this. There are the distance between point. There is a point A. There is a line. Its point A and its coordinates are 3, 1. 3, 1. And this is B. Its coordinate are 0, x. Sorry, it is on y axis. Anyway, 0, x. If we see as per the conditions, this is y axis, this is origin, it is x axis. So there is a point 3. There is 1. This is 1, 2, 3. So there is point at, this is at 3, 1. This is point A. And there is a line. We draw a line like this, which is intersecting. This is point B. So its coordinates are 0, x, right? And the distance is 5 unit. Distance is 5 unit, right? So distance is 5 unit. So by distance formula, by using distance formula, this is 0, x, that is d square is equal to yb minus ya whole square plus xb minus xa whole square, right? So D is 5. So 5 square is equal to YB. YB is X and YA is 1. So minus 1 whole square plus this is XB. XB is 0. 0 minus 0 minus X is 3. So 0 minus 3 whole square. 5 square is 25 is equal to X minus 1 whole square plus this is 0 minus becomes minus 3 whole square is 9. 9 will go on other side. So 25 minus 9 is equal to X minus 1 whole square. Right? Taking square root both sides, we get 16 is equal to X minus 1. Right? So when we bring this on the other side, so 16 plus 1 is equal to X. Therefore, X is equal to 17. So coordinates of B is 0, 17. Yeah, X is equal to 17. This is the solution of question number 4. Did you done? Hello. Done? Okay.